Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to activate emergency credit on gas meter. Firstly, you can activate it when your balance is below £2 or normal credit. Your meter has £10 of emergency credit available. Press A or menu on your meter and scroll to emergency credit and select accept to activate. Your meter will now use emergency credit instead of cutting off power. For gas smart meters, press A to wake up the meter, look for low credit or emergency credit, then select yes to activate. The meter will switch to using emergency credit. When you next top up, your meter will automatically deduct the emergency credit you used. Make sure to add enough credit to cover both the emergency credit used and your usual top up amount. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.